I just want to start complimenting you and your team and the Health Ministry of staying on course in highlighting and then actually taking very practical steps to deal with what is very much an existential issue for Pakistan, in addition to climate change. So जिस सफ़र पे जिसका आपने आगाज़ किया और आपने उसका ज़िक्र भी किया, and we've seen it in the video, which sort of led to the National Population Stabilization Plan, and then it graduated into the National Population Council, which has both the civil and military leadership, the provincial leadership, and a representation from the Federation. देखिए ये इसलिए important है because we have just heard number of remarks here, and it's always a question of how and who. And that's where this institutionalized framework, which is now there in the form of the National Population Council, I'm sure is going to help with the implementation and execution. जब clear targets हों, उसके KPIs हों, and every quarter, every year you actually figure out where do you stand, because अभी भी बात हुई कि आप वही deliver कर सकते हैं जो आप measure कर सकें. तो उसमें जो भी आपके अब KPIs होंगे, and we will continue to help, support and assist any way we can. आपने फाइनेंस की बात की, आपका पहले तो शुक्रिया for taking leadership here. लेकिन जैसे मैंने जिक्र किया, फाइनेंस में जब हम बजट बनाते हैं, कल की बात करते हैं, परसों की बात करते हैं, अगले साल की बात होती है. But both of these existential issues, which is the population growth and climate change, if we don't address these two existential issues, then in terms of the potential of Pakistan, by the time we get to be 100 years old in 2047, we are not going to get there. So from that perspective, it was absolutely critical that we get going on this. हमने कुछ टेक्निकल चीज़ें की, जैसे आपने जिक्र किया कि इस बजट में the pink tax and then the contraceptive पे जो sales tax था उसको remove किया गया. But this is tactical. It was important that we did that. और आपने कुछ उसका जिक्र भी किया कि how it's going to start making an impact even in the short term. I think then there are more structural issues like NFC, where we have population as an allocation driver, which is 82%, which is not sustainable. It's as simple as that. तो वो जब भी हम ये NFC की discussion आगे लेकर चलते हैं in terms of horizontal matrices, this formula will have to be looked at and reviewed. And the last thing from our side is, क्योंकि जब भी आपने कोई चीज़ को आगे लेकर जाना है, उसके लिए funding, financing वो बहुत important होती है. So whatever we can do in the budget is one thing, but also through the World Bank Kutni Partnership Framework, जो 10 साल का Kutni Partnership Framework पिछले साल साइन हुआ है, उसमें there are 3 pillars and one pillar has to deal with population, और उसमें भी 2 work streams हैं, which is learning poverty, which is essentially girls out of school, and the second part is child stunting. So roughly $600 to $700 million per year is available to finance all interventions that are going to be there around population. मैं आखिरी बात सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो अवेयरनेस की कैंपेन है, और जो और फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम मीडिया और जो शाहरुख साहब ने जो ये अभी आपको डिटेल में बताएंगे, जो वक्फा की कैंपेन है, आई थिंक इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट. और मैं अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले I was in Karachi, and मैं शहजाद रॉय साहब को भी मिला, and I went and visited the school, girls school, which he sponsored, और ज़िंदगी ट्रस्ट के अंदर वो कैसे इसको आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं. तो देखिए ये अभी मुश्ताक कमाल साहब भी इसका जिक्र करेंगे. But when we looked at, और अभी आपने भी जिक्र किया about हमारे जो इस्लामी ब्रदर ममालिक हैं, उसका आपने जिक्र किया. तो there are 3 case studies which were done and reviewed in the context of what we need to do in Pakistan. and that's Bangladesh, Iran, and Indonesia. And if you look at what are some of the common themes in all these case studies, where over a 10 to 15-year period, their growth rate and population growth rate has come down to 1%, there are sort of three key themes. One is the education of girls or education of women. Number two, women in the workforce. And number three, getting the buy-in of and getting the religious scholars on board. तो ये तीनों ममालिक में, whether it's Bangladesh or Iran or Indonesia, जिनके अब सब population rate जो है तकरीबन 1% के करीब हैं, these are the three common themes which are there. So in the end, Mustafa Kamal Sahab, we stand right behind you because आपकी leadership में और जब National Population Council है under the leadership of the Prime Minister, inshallah, finance is there to, as I mentioned earlier, help, support, assist. Wish you a very good conference, and inshallah we'll stay in touch on this very, very important initiative. बहुत शुक्रिया.